bonus van content. Legends, morning, welcome back to the channel. Dad's here with the Royal Snail because I've gone to move it this morning after using it to block in the KGM action overnight, and it's thrown a bit of a wobbly. Thankfully I've managed to move it, get the KGM action out, but the clutch pedal went boing and is now either touching the roof or touching the floor. The issue I've got, however, is, well, I've currently now blocked in Mrs. JC, who wants to go to work. Has the clutch gone and exploded? It never rains but it pours, seemingly, with the Royal Snail at the moment. In this video, as you can see, Dad is currently doing some diagnosis. We'll have a chat with Dad, see what's going on, have a look at that clutch pedal. It could be a new clutch coming to the Royal Snail, or it could be something silly like a push rod or the master cylinder or a broken clutch cable. I don't know. I don't know if it's hydraulic. I don't know if it's cable. We genuinely don't know. So that's what we're finding out now. Yeah, let's take a look at what is wrong again with the Royal Snail. Hello, good morning. Can you do me a favour, please?
Yeah.
Can you stop sabotaging cars in the fleet? Because I think you genuinely are coming round at night and cutting cables and exactly, causing problems just so you've got stuff to work on. What is that? What's going on here?
You don't know it's me doing it.
Yeah. The clutch has seemingly gone bang on the Snail, has it?
Yeah. Good news is you tried to start it up in gear and it moved, didn't it?
Well, I don't know.
You're not going to do that now, are you?
No, let's have a look. Let's take a look at what the problem is. Let's take a look. There is the pedal. It goes either to the floor or to the sky. It could be something as simple as the cable gone. We're doing some diagnostics down here. The good news is we have tried to move the van and it does.
Yeah, that's telling me the clutch is not exploded, is it?
Right, okay, so what are we doing? What are we finding out?
I'm going to find out what it is. I'm going to have a look now and I'll tell you what I can see.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
I can, yes.
You see this thing that you put your foot on?
Yeah, the clutch.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's not fastened to the master cylinder.
Oh, right.
Because there's a broken rod. I'm going to flick this clip off now.
Oh, so it's not a cable?
It's a hydraulic, and
Oh.
that's the thing. Give me a jig.
Right.
I reckon
what
if
are we
I
going to
was
do
in the
about that?
desert, I could fix that.
Let's have a look down there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah, I can see where it attaches. Well, it's broken, I'm assuming.
Worst case scenario is that something's gone wrong, caused the pedal. Did the pedal seem ever so hard or not?
No, just normal.
Normal, that's good then. I just had visions that something's gone wrong.
So let me just talk you through what I did. I had the action on the drive. I had it blocked in with the Royal Snail. I went and reversed the Royal Snail successfully, and then I put it back to where it currently is, and it worked.
It's the end of the master cylinder rod. It is broken.
That is less than optimal. Just hold that up and show us. Hold that like that, and let's have a look. Oh, right, okay.
Bonus little light action.
Yeah, yeah, okay, fine. Can we glue that back on then, or?
Probably that might not work.
So it needs a new master cylinder?
It darn well does, yeah.
Right. Big job?
I think the hardest bit will be getting to the bleed nipples to bleed it.
Oh, where are the nipples?
Unless it probably doesn't even have bleed nipples, it might be a sealed system. But we're going to have a look.
So it's a hydraulic system.
Yeah.
But the rod has broke.
The rod has broken. You've broke your rod.
Yeah, I can see it in there, look.
If you come out the road, we'll have it fixed. No, we're just going to whip it off and have a look.
What are you doing now then?
I'm taking the master cylinder off.
Oh.
And I'm going to take it out and pull it through from under the bonnet and have a look at it. Give it a jolly good looking at.
So what's it held in place in? Some bolts?
Yeah, little 10mm bolts. But my biggest concern is bleeding it. Oh, there you go.
You got it out, have you?
Bonus Doblo content.
Yes, bonus Doblo content. This is not the Doblo content we wanted this week.
Bonus Doblo content. Doblus problematicus.
Plumbing Italians.
Ooh, production crews get trod on. I hope they're not going to say, he was abusive to the production crew.
No, and I didn't burgle Paul Young back in the 90s either. But what are you doing now?
I'm taking this blinking master cylinder off. I just need a little tool and I ain't got one. Oh, I have.
Aha!
My plan is to not lose this clip now. But if I lose this clip, I shall be a sad Hector. Because it probably could bugger off.
Aha, a little circlip
that
thing.
little holds the pipe to the cylinder.
It's rather cold and windy this morning.
It's been worse these few days though, hasn't it? We've had some blinking horrible weather.
We have. Aha.
Come out, you little brute. There it is, look.
There it is.
Yeah.
In there. I'll just go to my stock room and get a master cylinder. Headlight strapping.
Sorry?
Just admiring the headlight strapping.
Yeah. It's a good old job being a mechanic, isn't it? Hey. Gotcha. Are you a mechanic? Right then.
Ah, you got it out.
That's
there it is.
Mate.
What's there? You've taken it out. Oh, there's the master cylinder. So that's how it attaches.
Yeah, don't to be debated.
Ah, right.
What we need to do...
Is that plastic?
It is, son, yeah.
Oh. And the plastic has just sheared off, hasn't it? Great times.
I don't think we can effect a temporary repair. I bet we jolly well could if we was desperate.
So that end there attaches to the pedal.
Yes, son.
And it's just snapped.
It has. And then you press that bit and it works the clutch.
So if I was to...
Get one of these now, we could fix it.
Yeah, well we can't do that because it's a Sunday morning.
That's not a me problem.
But if I was to sit in the car and start it up...
Yeah. No, because it's not connected to the pipe down there.
Ah. Shall I see if I can get one?
Yeah.
Let's see if I can get one. So it's Sunday morning, nowhere is open locally. We need to get a master cylinder for the van. We could effect a temporary repair, what do you reckon?
The trouble is, if we spend an hour doing a temporary repair, then it goes wrong again. We've wasted an hour.
Yes, I totally agree. There's no point in us doing a temporary repair.
I bet we could.
But I need to be able to move the van out the way. Is it going to be a push-it job?
Yes.
Yes.
How are we going to move that so we can put it up there?
What, the Smart?
Yeah. Do it. Well, you know what you do.
Well, we could put it behind the Smart and it'll be fine.
What if you need the Smart?
Let's put it somewhere safe.
What if you need the Smart?
I won't need the Smart.
Not worth bodging it up and then getting break down somewhere, is it?
Oh no, absolutely. I wouldn't use it. No. I wouldn't use it with a temporary repair on. It would be a case of just temporary repairing it so we could move it. And actually, it's going to be easier for us to just push it, isn't it?
Oh God, aye.
So let's do that.
Yeah. I want to know where the bleed nipple is. Oh, there, is that the body? Yeah, it is.
There's off-roading with the Smart.
I can see it. It's got a bleed nipple down there.
That's all you're bothered about.
It is. I'm seeing how blinking hard it is to bleed it.
Fair enough. Well, at least the van has just cost me another £50 today. Shall we move it?
I'm struggling. Let's move it. I want to move it, move it.
Oh. Okay. What's the plan?
We're not doing YMCA today.
No. You've traumatised people on the internet with
They
that.
loved it.
What, the YMCA?
Are we all right for Mr. C's car?
Yeah.
Are we all right for the gate post?
Yeah, keep going.
We're going uphill now.
Yeah, we are.
Uphill, grommet. You're steering. Perfect.
We should have taken all the stuff out the back of it.
What did bother me is that if you suddenly want the flipping purple out, you can't get it now.
We'll be right. Hey, that wasn't too difficult to shift, considering we're uphill and on grass. Right, handbrake's on, it's out the way, and we've actually stuck it just here on the driveway now, so I can get Mrs. JC in and out. And the orange smart in and out. That's good then, isn't it?
Bloody well is. Not a big deal, is it?
Well, it might not be a big deal for you, but it's me that's paying for the blooming thing.
We can soon have it fixed, can't we? I aren't panicking.
Well, there you have it then, as Dan said, bonus bonus van content. The clutch master cylinder has failed, snapped. I wasn't being rough with it, it's just clearly broke over time, and actually I'm probably quite lucky that it's done it on the drive this morning and not when I'm 40 miles away at work. That would have been a problem, that would have been recovery time. Dad's not panicking, good news, it's going to cost me 50 quid, bad news, but we now know what's wrong with the snail van, so more snail content coming soon, a new master cylinder. Maybe that will arrive at the same time as the parts to do the repair and we can do it all in one go, who knows. Anyway, thumbs up if you haven't already done so. Like and subscribe if you haven't already done. Some bonus snail van content. It never rains, but it pours, does it? Until next time, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Are you doing the YMCA? You're doing the YMCA now off camera. Come on, do it on camera.
One person commented about my yellow jacket.
Yes.
The reason that sleeve's like this, it went up in smoke when I was rebuilding the trailer.
Good. Yeah.
Can I go for my dinner now?
Yes, thank you. Thanks for your help. What do you mean dinner? It's 11 o'clock.
Oh.
Do you know where we're going now?
Lidl.
To Lidl.
Oh, you're not going to have to buy too much, are you?
Can you get a master cylinder in the middle of Lidl? We'll soon find out. Thanks for your help. As ever, thank you for watching this video. Dad and I have selected a couple more videos for you that we think that you might like. They're here now. Just give them a click to watch them. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. It means a lot to us. Thank you.